In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Mailchimp. We'll walk through the exact process inside Mailchimp so you can launch a clean, focused landing page in just a few minutes. To begin, sign in to your Mailchimp account and head straight to the Campaigns section. This is where Mailchimp organizes all the marketing things you create: emails, automations, ads, and of course, landing pages. So it's the perfect starting point. Next, look for the Create button and choose Landing Page. This tells Mailchimp you're building a standalone page, not an email. Landing pages are great for collecting signups, promoting a single offer, or sharing a quick announcement without needing a full website. You'll be prompted to enter a landing page name. Pick something clear and internal, like Spring Promo Signup or Webinar Registration. This name helps you find the page later and report on results. Don't worry, this name doesn't have to be public-facing, so keep it practical and consistent with your naming system. Now select your audience. This determines where new contacts from the page will be added and ensures your sign-up form connects to the right list. If you have multiple audiences, choose the one that aligns with your goal. For example, if you're building a page for a specific campaign, use that dedicated audience or segment to keep contacts organized. If you plan to use tags or segments later, it's still important to pick the primary audience now, so data flows correctly. Click. Begin to move into the design phase. Mailchimp will show you a selection of templates. Choose a template that closely matches your goal. Some are optimized for lead capture with prominent forms, while others emphasize visuals or product highlights. Don't worry about making the perfect choice right away. You'll be able to customize almost everything. With your template loaded, start editing the content blocks. Replace placeholder text with clear, benefit-driven headlines. Add supporting copy that explains what visitors get and why it matters. Swap in images or illustrations that reinforce your message. If your page includes buttons, write action-oriented labels like "Get the Guide" or "Reserve my spot." For forms, keep fields minimal to reduce friction. Name and email are usually enough. You can also adjust spacing, colors, and fonts to match your brand. Use contrast for readability, and keep alignment clean. Preview frequently to see how it looks on desktop and mobile, and save your changes as you go so nothing gets lost. That's it. By following these steps, you've created a focused landing page in Mailchimp that's ready to support your next campaign.